This is Diecast Dave here. I made a short video of a Johnny Lightning I ordered. I figured I'd never find it in the store. It's the Crowder Cams 1934 Ford Coupe. Comes with its own metal collector's tin, which I like that. One of 2,500. Crowder Cams, got nice artwork there on it. Really nice diecast car in there. Hope it's in focus. Tampos all over it. Kind of like a copper metallic paint. So basically there in the front there, behind the engine. That is a really nice diecast. I figured I'd never find it anywhere, so I just ordered it off of eBay. Really nice. I wish I'd have got two so I could open one. But y'all check her out one more time. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch you on the flip side.